Content marketing, you've heard about it. I do a lot of it. In fact, I've made nearly 600 videos on YouTube, but the question that flutters through people's minds is, does this bloke make any money from all this effort? Well, in this video, I'm going to tickle your taste buds on how you can make money from content marketing to help grow your business. Let's get into it. Now, before we go any further, a couple of things you need to do. Number one, massage the like button that's just underneath me. Second, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel if you're serious about growing your business so I can notify you when I'm bringing out new content. Let's talk content marketing. I've been doing this little thing now for 4 years. I put a lot of effort into it. I've got a team helping me do it. I've wrote 3 books all around business and entrepreneurship. You can get them all on my website, jamessinclair.net, just out of interest, or on Jeff Bezos' website. Let's talk content marketing though. Should you do it? Why should you do it? And how can it help grow your business, drive sales into your business, and find the hidden profits within? Now, there's 4 key areas that I've been working on when it comes to content marketing. Number 1, videos. Love videos. I've made 600 videos here on YouTube, but a ton on Facebook, a ton on LinkedIn and Instagram as well. Really well edited videos, but I've done a lot of lives and all that sort of stuff as well. Podcasts, huge amount of podcasts, hundreds and hundreds of podcasts. Go and check them out on the James Sinclair Business Broadcast. This is where I coach business owners on how to grow their business. Maybe you want to come along. It's free to do it. Books, I've wrote 3 books, Millionaire Clown, The Experience Business and Getting Customers. Next, we've done loads of socials as well. Let's talk about some downsides of content marketing before we talk about all the upsides and why I think it'd be so fantastic for your business. Number 1, a lot of time. Number 2, consistency. You have to show up, you need to be regular, and you need to consistently do it. And number 3, you have to go all in. You have to tell your secrets. You have to tell people what you're up to, because if you want to do well on content marketing, you've really got to be saying, yes, I'm a champion of this and I want to do it all the time. Now let's have a look at some beautiful upsides. Now, the upsides are glorious. Number 1, leverage, especially if you're doing content here on YouTube and writing books on podcasts, because you're doing the work once and the video, article, the book continues to work for you, unlike if you're doing an Instagram story that just disappears. So if you make a really good video on YouTube, it's well titled, good thumbnail, really good description, that video is going to keep on getting found for you. And if it's lead gen heavy, it's going to continue pumping your brand and pushing leads into your business. And that's the number 1 reason I love YouTube so much, writing books and the podcast. Number 2, famous to a few. Being famous to a few can be really powerful. Like, think about this, Amazon, 1994, just sold books that you've broadened up over a period of time. This can be really useful if you've got a niche product in an SME space. So maybe you've got a special yoga therapy thing for people over 60. That's the sort of niching down that you can do when you're making content marketing to get people to know about your business. You can be famous to a few and then be the master of a particular industry. That's a massive upside, whereas it could be way too costly to do that on broad marketing. Legacy. Here's another thing that I absolutely love about all the stuff we're doing on YouTube. These 600 videos, we can look back in 3, 4, 5 years time, or 10 years time, 20 years time, and say, hey, look, that's where the business was at. And it's really good for training your team so they know whether they want to come and work for you or not. Obviously, it brings in loads of sales to your business if you do enough of it, if you keep putting the content out there. Team knowledge as well. This is another great thing about content marketing. You know, we've got nearly 1,000 staff now where we keep on buying places. Those 1,000 staff are getting to see my content marketing. They know what's going up in the business so that they're really well informed for really good team training. Let's have a look at some top tips within content marketing and exactly how much money we make from it. The biggest error for me was going too broad. I've done everything on business. So if you go on my YouTube channel, you can learn about property investing, residential property investing, commercial property investing. You can learn about marketing, getting customers digitally, getting customers traditionally. You can also learn about sales, about training your staff, how to buy businesses. There's lots and lots of nuances on my YouTube channel. Actually, if I niched down and said, oh, my YouTube channel is just about property, that's a niche that would have got a lot more people in very quickly, because the niche audiences are easier to grow faster on YouTube rather than going broad like I've done. So try and think how you can go riches in your niches on all of the social media platforms so that you can build an audience that are very loyal to your thing, especially like with dietary stuff. If you're, I don't know, specialist vegan, that was all massive 10 years ago. I was laughing at all these vegans going mad 10 years ago, and they niched down and they bought an audience that then brought broadened up and now they're more mainstream. So really try and build that audience in a tiny section first and then broaden up. Right, how much money do we make for it? Let's work it out. Now, we all buy it in funnels as consumers. Think about Google. Most of us are searching on Google. That's the top of the Google funnel. Then there's the pay-per-see element of Google where companies pay for clicks, but they only get the clicks because people are searching on Google. So that's the funnel for Google in basic terms. To really understand this, let's talk about Disney. Loads of content, videos up here. Then people are buying toys, and then they're buying maybe Disney membership into Disney Plus, and then they go on their cruise lines, and that's the big money, or their theme parks. That's the funnel that people buy into with Disney. Now let's talk about my businesses so you can see exactly why I do this content marketing. Up here, you've got videos and podcasts, free for you guys to access. 600 videos. You can literally spend hours on my YouTube channel or hours on my podcast. And then you might think, oh, I love this guy's stuff. I'll buy his books. And then now you're buying something from me because you've consumed so much of my content. Been going on for years. It's a method of marketing that absolutely works, but now it's possible for anyone to do that. Then after that, you might join my Entrepreneurs University. Why wouldn't you do that? You can try it free 14 days. This is where I coach business owners with an online training platform to grow their business, how to buy businesses, how to get into property, how to scale up their business, get their business ready for sale, even how to buy businesses for free. That's all on my website, jamessinclair.net. Go and give it a try free for 14 days. The process here, watch my videos, buy my books, then try my membership. But down here, where's the juicy stuff that really works for me? Well, number one, from my YouTube channel, on the back of my YouTube channel, I can actually trace millions of pounds worth of sales that I've done completely off the platform, completely off my personal brand, because I've been able to buy businesses and sell products like even Rossi Ice Cream, my big ice cream business. We managed to get into a chain of restaurants on the back of my YouTube channel because the person watched my YouTube channel, owned a chain of restaurants, felt an affiliation to me, and then he got my ice cream brand into those chain of restaurants. Thanks very much, content marketing. It allows you to attract a great employees to your business. And if you can attract great employees to your business that explode the growth of your business, mamma mia, you're on the way. Next, speaking gigs. People have paid me thousands of pounds for hours of work just to go and speak on a stage in front of a conference to help people grow their businesses. I get paid for that, stay in nice hotels. Brilliant. When the world goes back to normal, I'm sure that'll all come back. So I've got speaking gigs off the back of this funnel of content marketing. And lastly, this obvious sales. I've actually had sales from the funnel, from content marketing, creating the content for free, then having the next low level spend, which is a book, 10, 15 pounds, then into membership, only cost you 50 quid a month to have me grow your business. And then the big stuff, buying businesses, getting business opportunities, attracting those opportunities to me rather than going out and looking for them. And when people present them to you, you can always usually do a better deal. So there's some of the reasons why I do content marketing and why it's helped me grow my business. Are you going to do it for your business? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you've liked this video, hit the like button. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.